Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are getting into something that feels like the future of how we interact with our computers.
It really does.
We're looking at a new piece of hardware, these wireless earbuds, from a company called Subtle.
And we've been looking at the TechCrunch reporting on their launch. The story here isn't just the earbuds, it's the AI inside them.
Exactly. And their whole mission is to solve the biggest problem for voice interfaces: noise.
Right, the ambient sound that just makes using voice assistants in public almost impossible.
So let's just jump right to the key nugget, the big claim they are making.
Okay.
Subtle is asserting that their voice buds deliver 5 times fewer errors than AirPods Pro 3 when paired with OpenAI's transcription.
That number is, well, it's the whole game, isn't it?
It's a massive claim.
It is, and it's basically an admission that for all the AI smarts we have now, the hardware most of us use just isn't up to the task in the real world.
But let's push back on that a little. Is that even a fair comparison? I mean, AirPods are made for music, for calls, for noise cancellation, not specifically for transcription.
That's the point, though. They're competing in a category they basically invented.
A league of one.
Exactly. Subtle CEO Tyler Chen says the reason voice hasn't taken over is because of that environmental noise, but also the social awkwardness of it.
Right, of talking to your phone on a crowded train.
And this AI is designed to fix both of those things at once.
So how are they actually doing it? What's the tech?
Well, they've been developing these specialized voice isolation models, I think, with partners like Qualcomm and nothing.
And they just bake that directly into these new earbuds.
Yep. So it's not just about you sounding clear on a phone call. It's about feeding a perfectly clean audio signal to the transcription engine.
And the demos seem pretty wild. TechCrunch saw it work in a really noisy setting.
Not only that, but it could apparently pick up whispered text.
Whispered text. Now that's a game changer.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, if you can just whisper a note to your device and have it be perfectly accurate, the whole privacy and social awkwardness problem just kind of disappears.
So this isn't noise cancellation, it's something different.
It's signal separation. It's
Yeah.
identifying your voice, even a quiet one, and just filtering out everything else around it.
Okay, so let's talk about the product itself. What do you get?
The buds cost $199, and that comes with a year-long subscription to their app for iOS and Mac.
And that app pulls it all together: dictation, AI chat, voice notes. It's a whole system.
It is, and this is the really critical part. There's a custom chip inside.
What does that do?
It lets the buds wake your iPhone directly, even when it's locked in your pocket.
So it removed that friction. No fumbling for your phone to start a voice command.
That's what delivers that truly seamless experience they're promising,
Right.
and it puts them in a really interesting competitive space.
They're not just up against Apple and Samsung anymore.
No, they're also fighting specialized dictation apps. Whisperflow, Super Whisper, and even new hardware like those note-taking rings from Sandbar and Pebble.
It's a battle for who owns that unified voice assistant interface.
It really is.
So the critical takeaway here for you, our listener, is that this isn't really about better earbuds for music.
Not at all.
It's about selling a solution to a real-world problem. They're using specialized AI to turn any loud, chaotic place into your own quiet digital workspace.
Which leaves us with a really fascinating question, I think.
Go on.
Well, if a specialized device like this can deliver 5 times better accuracy, does that mean the future is all specialized hardware for different AI tasks?
A different gadget for everything.
Maybe. Or does this just force the big general-purpose players like Apple to get serious and build this level of noise isolation into the next generation of AirPods?
And what happens when all of this specialized AI processing can just happen on the phone's main chip itself?
Exactly. Where does the hardware go then? That's something to really think about.